Hey guys, how's it going? Brent and I did a little bit of shopping yesterday, and I think I love it, and I would like to buy more of them. So they're in this frame. You can see exactly what I bought yesterday, and we're going to do a mass planting of one single plant today. So I think what I'm going to do, because I like it so much, is I'm going to get these ones laid out. I got a whole bunch of cyclamen. They're right there. And I'm going to get them all kind of laid out where I want them to go. I think I'm going to just start on this side. And then I'm going to start digging a whole bunch of holes and see how many more I need. I think it's a lot more. Also, weather is so weird. It's super windy. Let's show you guys the cyclamen. So yesterday we went to Home Depot and I bought a bunch of cyclamen. I thought this was going to be a good amount. Turns out this is nothing. This is not enough. They are originally $5.78 a piece. Psychotic. This is insane. They should not be this expensive. And I did not buy them at that price. They were on sale. It was 3 for $12. So they were like $1 off. So it still makes them $4.78 a piece, which is frustrating to say the least. Because I remember when they used to be like $3, not that long ago. Now they're almost $6, which is, yeah, a choice that somebody made. Great. Anyways, I want to plant these out because I want it to look like a carpet of snow. We don't get snow here. We don't get cold enough here for snow. And I just thought this would be really cool. I decided to do this because I had some that I had originally pulled from a window box in the back of the property in a shed, by the shed, not in the shed. And I put them here and I was like, wait, that looks pretty good. What if I just mass plant these things? So what I want to do is just kind of start here, and I want to like fill in right along this border here, maybe, you know, come in, and I want to kind of like come through, and then I'll have a little bit of planting space there for something that gets a little bit larger, and then do the same thing on this side. So I need a ton of them. I think I'm probably going to spend like $100 and something on cyclamen, but I think it'll be really cool to have them just kind of like scattered along the border here. When you walk in and you just kind of like are greeted by like a border of cyclamen, isn't that cool? They won't be in rows like that, but nonetheless, I mean, like some spots there'll be one, some spots there'll be like trios and maybe two, and just kind of like a loose line here, but they'll border right up against this. I think it's gonna be really pretty. So let's get to digging some holes, and then we will plant the ones that we have and then go pick up some more. Okay, so this is 28 holes, and I tried to do it like a little more sparingly instead of making it like, I mean, it's gonna be pretty dense, but it is not going to be as dense as I kind of imagined, because that is 18 plants. So I still need 10 more just to go on this side. So yeah, I'm gonna need to pick up 3 more flats, 3.5 more flats just to do this project. And this side is shorter than this side. Oh gosh, that's gonna hurt. I'm gonna need to pick up 4 more flats at least. All right, let's get holes dug on this side, and then I can calculate how many I need, and then we will go pick up what I need to get for this project, because that's gonna be so good. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. And I think I need to dig 2 holes right here because there's going to be dahlias. So as of right now, I need 42 plus 3 more. 42, 43, 44, 45. Oh, that's ouch. Okay, 45 more. That is so many. So I need to go pick up 45 of them plus the 18 I already have. That's a lot of cyclamen. It's gonna be so good though. I think it'll be worth it. This will be a very big impact project because now you're gonna walk back here and you're just gonna see like a sea of like white, gorgeous, beautiful flowers. I think it's gonna be really pretty. It's just not gonna feel good on the bank account. All right, I just quickly did those last 3 holes and I need to go pick up 45 more cyclamen. Holy cow, that is so many. That's gonna be an expensive project. Let's go to Home Depot because these are gonna be really pretty when they are all planted out though. This is ridiculous. All right, here we go. I got 45 of them and I'm not buying anything else. A sea of just white. Look at how pretty that's gonna be. Isn't that gonna be so gorgeous? And they bloom pretty much year round for us, so I think it'll be worth it. They're just an annual, but they are more perennial for me and my hires. Okay, so it says annual, but they are perennial for me, and they bloom a really good amount of time, and also partial sun, I forgot to say that. And then they like to dry out just a little bit, but where they are going is a little bit of, it's pretty wet soil, so we'll see how they do. I don't know, it's gonna be good. Okay, $184 later, and we all knew that I lied when I said I wasn't gonna buy anything else. The $184 was just on the cyclamen. Don't Brent McMenomey. Are you kidding me? What? Look at what you did. Here, wear it. It's your shame. I mean, that's what it's gonna look like in the side yard. It's really pretty. It's a little bit psychotic. It's so pretty. Okay, want to take bets on how long it's gonna take me to get everything planted? I say 45 minutes. How long? 45? At least an hour. Cast your votes below. Let's go home. This is ridiculous. This is so gorgeous though. The weather's starting to change, which is kind of cool. Totally appreciating it. It's windy. Looks like it might rain. We'll see what happens. Isn't this gonna be so pretty though? It's gonna look like we actually have snow here, even though we don't. But also, look at, this is Coco Loco. Isn't that so pretty? The back of it, how they start that color and then they age to this like silvery purpley color, and then this is one that's done. Isn't that gorgeous? They're so pretty. I love this rose. I think I need to move it to somewhere that gets a little bit more sun, a lot more sun. So this winter when I cut it back, I'm gonna do a very hard cut back, and then we'll put it somewhere where it's like pretty much full sun. So now the plan is to come through and I'm just gonna drop some biotone into each one of these holes, and then I'm just gonna start planting everything. Are you ready to see what it looks like with them just placed? They're still in their cans, they haven't been planted yet. Oh, it is so good. Ready? Here we go. Isn't that something? That is so magical. And I had one extra plant, and it worked out perfect because I kind of had like one little hole right over there. So I just quickly dug one more hole. The It looks so good, especially like having kind of come out a little further into some spots like this, and here having come back, and that way it's not just like a straight line. It looks more natural. I think this side might have more plants than this side. It's fine. It looks so good. Let's get these planted now. All right, we got one side done. It took me 34 minutes to do the placing of everything, to do one side, and to do the biotone in all the holes. So I'm thinking I could finish this other side in 10 minutes, and that would be 45 minutes, and I would be right, and then Brent would be wrong. So I got 10 minutes to get this side done to, to prove him wrong. So let's go. Seven minutes, 28 seconds. Bam, got it done in just under 45 minutes. It looks so good. I'm gonna take a minute, catch my breath, because I was hustling on this side. I didn't want to take more than 10 minutes. So let me go wash my hands, and then I'll show you guys how it turned out, because I mean, you can already see. It's pretty good. This is what you'll see when you come in the gate. You're gonna see a trash can first. Oh, I got it out of the shot. Okay, isn't that great? Oh, that is magical. I do kind of wish that like how this one is like very far back. I wish I had done a couple further back. I do not care though. It looks so good. I'm so pleased with it. Very, very happy with how this looks. I feel like I should maybe come in and like pull some of these out. So like how there's like swoops here like this and like little openings. I should make maybe a couple more openings, but we'll say one thing and do another. We won't do it. It looks really good. Very pleased with it. Let me go tally up how much I spent altogether. It was 180 plus, hold on, the grand total. It's actually less than I thought it was gonna be. I had done my math wrong. I thought they were 3 for 15. They were 3 for 12. And so I spent $252 before tax. I thought that was gonna be like $380 for some reason. Probably because I was doing math not the way you would normally do math. So, I mean, if we're being honest, it feels like I kind of saved money doing this project. So, I'm very pleased with it. It looks so gorgeous. This is what you see when you walk down now. And I don't know, it kind of feels like a little woodland. It feels magical. And so, I think that is going to be it for this video. I'm very pleased with it. I hope that you guys like it. It is starting to sprinkle. Was not seeing that. It's not even on our forecast, but it is just sprinkling. You can't even see it, but it's hitting me in the face. So thank you guys for visiting our garden. You can see the hood's up on the car. Brent's gonna work on the car in the rain, I guess. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. Thanks for visiting our garden. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.